Khadija, and today I'm going to be drawing a cute bird, so let's get started. I'll be using a pencil because I'm going to sketch my drawing first, and then I'm going to trace it over with my marker. So I'm basically gonna do that. So I suppose we just get started. Alright, so I don't really know how to draw a bird's body, but I think it should be something like this. So I'm going to be drawing like a jelly bean shape, kind of. Kind of, not really, but there. Kind of looks like a bird's body, I suppose. Okay, now I'm going to make the face, I think. Actually I'm gonna trace it first, I think. Yeah, that should do. Okay, I'm gonna trace it. Now I'm just going to be very careful and trace it. It's okay if I accidentally don't go over the lines, but yeah, it's okay. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on going. You can see my head a bit. That's okay. We're gonna keep on going and going and going until we reach the top. And we have to connect with that other line. Okay. I hope this bird turns out good because it probably will turn out good. Yeah. I'm going to make this bird my own type of bird, a bird that you guys have never seen before, but a bird that was been in a dream, and it's supposed to be my very own bird. If you even get what I'm saying. So yeah. Now we're gonna draw the beak. It's just a triangle and a line. And now we're going to draw the feathers. One hump, two hump, and another hump. Okay? And now I think we should do the eyes. I think we should do the eyes now. Yeah, we should do it. It's a big round circle. And 2 or 3 small circles inside to make it look really, really cute. I know people use 2, but my version is just 3. I don't know why, but I just like it like that. I think it looks cuter. So now I'm going to fill it in. You guys can also do that with anything you're drawing with. It's okay. Just keep on coloring. Okay, looks so cute already. Oh my god, I'm impressed with it. Now I'm going to draw the legs, I think. You don't have to draw the legs if you want to, but I'm just gonna do it. So I could do it just sticks, but I'm going to not do it with sticks. I'm just going to, do something like this. Yeah, that's how I wanted to do it. So you guys can also do that. If you want to add stick legs, you can absolutely do that. And now I think I'm going to do a background because this picture is looking pretty plain, so of course I need a background. I'm going to draw the sun. Ooh. I need to draw, some triangles on it. Big then small, big then small. Yep. Just keep on going, just keep on going. Tell me your guys' version of sun. Because mine is this version. I just like it. Okay, there's the sun. And now I'm going to draw a face, just to make it cuter. 2 eyes, and then some eyebrows, and then a mouth. Time to draw the pupil. Okay, I'm going to color that black. Time for the other pupil. Ooh. I wonder what the sun is looking at. Clouds, maybe? Birds? Who knows? And I'm going to be drawing some clouds because skies do have clouds in them. I think that sun that I drawn before is looking at that cloud which is in front of the bird. I was drawing some more birds. Just basically some M's. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a kitty cat. A really cute one because I think that would have been cute. Okay. I'm gonna draw some eyes and now the nose. Oh, I mean mouth. We'll draw the body and the legs. And okay, I think I'm also gonna draw the tail too. Okay, I hope this is gonna turn out cute, but now I'm going to draw the cat's tail. And it's looking pretty cute. So I'm quite impressed with this. Really impressed, by the way. I hope yours turns out good. Because whatever it looks like, it will probably turn out really cute. I'm really impressed with this, and yeah. Okay, now I'm going to color it, I guess. Don't know. Maybe I should color it now? Or maybe I should add some more details or stuff. Okay. Why do I keep on saying okay? And if you guys are wondering why there's glitter on my hands, well, well, I don't really know what to say. How do I explain this to all of you? Okay, I think now you'll get it. So the easiest way I can say this is that there was glitter on my table from my little sister's project. You've got to see that video. And there was glitter on my table, and we were cleaning the table because there was glitter on it, and glitter is really hard to clean. And some got on my hands and arms, so that's why I kind of have very glittery hands and arms. Okay, now I'm gonna color it. Color it in, color it in, color it in, color it in. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Looks good and good. Okay, this is such a cute picture. It may be my best one that I've ever made so far. And guys, if you guys are new, please subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. And the notification button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Oh, and just in case you're new too, I'm Khadija. My name is Khadija, and my little sister is Isa. Okay? Oh, and I have another little sister who is my littlest sister, whose name is Zainab. If you guys might be thinking and saying that, why do you never show Zainab in your videos? Is she even a person? Who is she? Well, she is my little sister now that you know. She is very young and my parents are deciding to add her into my videos when she grows a bit older. So yeah, maybe when she turns 1 or 2, I don't know. Right now I think she is 12 months. Actually not 12 months. I think she is 2 months old. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I'm gonna keep on coloring. Wow, I'm still on the sky. Wow. If you want to know why I'm not using color pencils, it's because that I've never used color pencils in a big surrounding. And it usually takes me not an hour. It doesn't take me. It takes me like the same amount that I'm going to finish this in, but I just have to keep on sharpening my pencil. So that's why I'm not using any color pencils or anything. And I think I'm gonna color the grass. I don't know. Baby, my bird, sign. I don't know. The cat. I'm gonna color my bird next. Yeah, I'm gonna color my bird next. Okay, just getting my color so I can color my bird. Okay, just take them. Okay, now I'm going to color my bird with them. So I got a light pink, a darker pink, and then a purple. So that are the colors I got. Coloring with the pink, and then I'm going to color with the darker pink. Nope, the darker pink. I'm gonna color in the darker pink. Don't know why I keep on saying that. Anyways. Okay, now I'm gonna color with the purple. Okay. I love how it blends. Just like it. That it blends so nicely. Oh, and the colors look so good too. That is awesome. Okay. Okay. Don't know why I see. Keep on saying okay. Okay. I keep on saying okay. Okay. Now I think I'm gonna color the grass. I think the beak, the sun. I could color anything next. So baby, I'm gonna color the beak next. And color the beak with green, and then a lighter green. Now I'm gonna color the grass, I think. I think I'm gonna color the grass now. I hope so. I think I am. Don't really know, it's a really hard decision. What I should color next, but I think I'm gonna color the grass next. I'm gonna color the grass. I'm gonna color the grass. I love coloring. It's so much fun. It just relaxes my hand. I just love it. Okay, I'm gonna color the grass in. really love suns because they're just so, because, what would be a morning without a sun? I have no clue, but morning cannot be without. There cannot be a morning without a sun. Suns would give us light. Okay, I'm gonna color the cat. And this should be pretty much it, I guess. Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum. Why does this cat remind me a lot of Goldilocks? Goldilocks cat. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys are having a totally awesome day. And please subscribe to my channel and goodbye!